Hi, welcome back to another one of our unboxing videos here at megahobby.com. I'm Brett, and today we're taking a look at Revell's new 1966 Chevy Suburban. So let's dig in and take a look. Okay, here we go. Crack into this here. I've already taken this does come bagged. I already took most of the parts out of the bag. But here we'll start with the chrome tree. That's your hubcaps. Grill with the Chevrolet logo. I think this part down here are the new parts for the Suburban. These parts up here were from the original pickup truck that this is based on. And here are the clear windows, which I believe are all new for this one. And here we have the body. It's a nice big one piece except for the roof and the rear doors, which we'll get to here in a minute. And we have the floor pan with some under body details. These are the new full side interior panels. And here we have this is the rear door, and this is a little strip that goes above the windshield. And we have the inside piece to the rear door and the gas tank. And you get the wheels, white wall inserts, and you get 5 tires, one's for the spare. And here we get into the hood parts, your suspension parts. And you have the 283 V8 engine, just stock headers there, new split bench. And here we have the big roof panel here. The dashboard. We have the separate frame, which is nice to have the frame separate like that. And we have the other seat. The red taillights, our usual Revell instruction sheet, which gives you painting and marking suggestions. This does only build one way, it just builds stock, so there's no option wheels or anything. And the nice new decal sheet, which has a nice seat inserts, some different markings here, a lot of detail pieces for the scripts and license plates and some of the under hood details. So nice new decal sheet for this. And so there, I hope you enjoy this look at Revell's new 66 Chevy Suburban. It's a mix of some new parts and some old parts that have been around. All in all, it's a nice looking kit. Thanks for watching.